Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, check the chicken for char depth and smell to decide salvageability. Hold the piece under bright light and inspect the skin and flesh. If black char is only on the surface, you can usually remove it safely without wasting the protein. Gently press the meat to test texture and try a small taste. If the meat tastes bitter through to the center, discard it for safety and cook another batch. Next, use a sharp knife to shave off burnt skin and discard about 1/4 inch. Work slowly and hold the chicken steady on a cutting board to avoid accidents. Trim until you see normal colored meat, avoiding gouging into the flesh to preserve juiciness. If bits remain, use a fine grater to remove them gently. Rinse briefly under cool running water and pat dry before continuing with your recipe or reheating. Finally, moisten meat with 1 tablespoon olive oil and 2 tablespoons chicken broth before reheating. Place chicken in a covered pan with 1 cup broth and simmer on low for 6 to 8 minutes to rehydrate the meat. Baste occasionally using a spoon to redistribute juices and prevent drying. Finish with fresh herbs and 1 teaspoon lemon juice to brighten flavors and a pinch of salt to balance bitterness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.